guys so much for watching this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a cute high puff with this crochet hair. Basically, let me just show you
what I do. So I'm going to take, this was a headband, you know, and I just cut it in half, and now it's like extra stretchy. So you can use a headband or even a shoestring or anything that you would normally use for your natural hair to do this high puff. So all I'm going to do is
you're probably not going to be able to see this, but I'm just bringing all my hair to the front like this, and then I take this and I put it on the back of my hair. Make sure all the hair is in the front, and then you're going to cross this, and it's just going to act like you're doing a regular puff, like on your natural hair. So yeah. Now I'm just going to go to the back and push the back of the headband up. And then pull these strings. Okay, and as you can see, it's forming the puff or pineapple or whatever you want to call this style. And just keep doing it until you get the shape that you want. Okay, so now it's going to keep pulling, and the more you pull, the tighter it's going to get and the smaller it's going to get. So, and I think this is a good size. And so now I'm just going to tie the string in the back once, or you can do it twice. You can make a knot, but I don't. And so now after I tie the string, I'm just going to bring it around and just bobby pin wherever it ends. Okay, so now I just fluff to my liking, and I'm going to take scissors, and I'm just going to cut like the parts that are like stringy. And the only reason that I'm cutting these loose pieces is because I'm just going to keep wearing it like this until I take it down, because it's just so hot, you guys. Like, it is so hot. It was 109 degrees Fahrenheit yesterday. Texas is not playing y'all with this heat. So, and I've already cut this hair so much, and it's still so big. Like, I did this puff yesterday, and I cut a pretty good amount. Okay, so now this looks like a good size to me. But yeah, I'm just going to cut until I like the shape that it's in. Okay, you guys, so now it's just time to lay my edges. Okay, guys, so now I got my edges laid, and now I'm just going to tie it down with a scarf to set them. And then I will come back and show you guys the rest of what I do. Okay guys, so my edges should be laid. Look at that line. Anyway guys, so yeah, this is how it looks, but I don't wear it just like this because it's crochet and I don't want people to see like my braids and the knots, you know, which you can't really see it on the side. Like, you can't tell. So I could leave it like this, but all I do is put on a headband. And I don't have any headbands, so what I did to make my own headband, okay, so I took a white shirt, an old white t-shirt that I'm not even gonna use, so, well, it's my fiance's shirt, and I just cut it, like the bottom of it, and I just cut it. See? So all I'm going to do is take it like this and put it on my hair, well, my head, put it around my head, and make sure that it looks good. And then I'm going to tie it once, like that, and then I'm going to take it, hold on you guys, it's kind of dark, I mean, yeah. So I'm going to take it, and instead of just doing that, I want to make like a little top knot, so I'm going to like switch opposite sides like this and just tuck it in. That's it. And so now you have this cute little turban, headband kind of thing. And this is so cute. Let me show you the back. See, it just hides everything. A t-shirt, you guys. This is a t-shirt. So yeah, you guys, I hope you like it. If you try this, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Y'all, my Instagram is _dismissed. Tag me. Don't be afraid. Just let me know. And yeah, you guys, this is how I'll be wearing it for probably the rest of the month. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and if you guys want to subscribe, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.